Wait, he's on.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, this is the Xbox 955. We have the remote control car again. Point it on the car.
Like.
Yeah, that's the
Told you I
car.
was better.
But this time, friend number one was driving it last time. This time, this time, I'm driving it, and friend number 2, he's just watching.
Yeah.
And part of it, friend number 2, I will show his shoes.
Yes.
Is going to be driving.
I didn't pull him down.
How do you pull down your shoes? Oh, I was about to show you.
Okay.
Okay, let's do this thing.
Stiffer. You ready, boys?
It's chasing friend number 2.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Viewers, do not be surprised if this makes you dizzy.
Okay, jump. Come on, Wolf.
Oh, the jump. Go. No, not friend number 2, the jump.
What?
Go.
Ignition!
I missed.
Oh, Xbox Man 55, you're terrible.
Xbox man. Oh my, what has happened?
Oh my! What?
Oh my god.
Oh!
Whoa,
Xbox
driving out of control.
Today I don't feel like doing anything.
Hold on, let's listen to some music.
I just wanna lay in my bed. Feel like picking up my phone to leave a message at the top. Today I swear I'm not doing anything. Nothing ain't gonna calm my head. Dude, that's later.
Oh, that felt good. Okay.
Okay. Just saying.
Keep video and
That one.
turning this off.
Listen, boys. Leave a message at
The tongue. They say I feel I'm not doing anything.
I wanna keep my feet up and stare at the fan. Turn the TV on, put my hand in my hand. Nobody's gonna tell me I can't.
Stuck.
I'm lounging on the couch, just chilling in my snuggie. Clicking on my teeth so they can teach me how to Dougie. Kids in my castle, I'm the freaking king.
Okay, get it unstuck, friend.
Yes, I said it. I said it. I said it 'cause I can. I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. I don't feel like picking up my phone to leave a message at the top. Today I swear I'm not doing anything.
Bug.
Nothing at all.
Song over. I have another song for you.
Nothing at all.
I'm not your daddy, I'm your grandpa. I'm not your daddy, I'm your
Wake up and do something naughty. Ask me to really nice.
Drive.
She's gonna scream out, this is great. Oh my god, this is great. Yeah, I just might mess around and get my college degree. My old man will be so proud of me. Sorry, Pops, you'll just have to wait.
Oh, yes, I said it.
I said it.
Said it 'cause I can.
I want to be a billionaire, so
So freaking bad.
you said a bad word. Pile
Of the things I never had.
I want to be on the cover
Cover of Fudge magazine. Smiling next to Oprah and the Queen.
What up, Oprah? Oh,
Every time I close my eyes, what you see? I see my name in shining lights. Okay, time out. Okay, Xbox man, let's give. Shut up, friend number 2. We're gonna give friend number 2 a drive time. Shut up, friend number 2. Do you want to turn to drive?
Guess what?
What?
I need a doctor. I need a doctor.
To bring me
Back to life.
It literally feels like a lifetime ago, but just remember, like it's just yesterday. So.
Okay.
Fine, no.
Stop driving
I
for
know
a
the whole
second.
wrapping part going there.
Oh
so.
my god.
All right, you.
The battery's dead.
Okay.
All right, we ran low on supplies in our car, so apparently this is the end of our video. Peace. Nick, turn off the camera.
If you
Peace,
want this car, buy it. It is called the Rustler, and it is made by Traxxas.
Okay. See ya, peoples.
Yeah.
Say that again, man.